All right, family. I'm going to go over the steps with you on how to fill out a work order real quickly. I know that Eric and I both are able to pop in your room sometimes and you catch us in between things and we get to fix your problems before a work order is placed. But it is imperative for you to fill out those work orders because if they don't see work orders coming from Shadowlawn, they're going to assume that we are a well-oiled machine, which in some ways we are, but in this instance we are not. And they won't provide us with an SST for the amount of time that we need. So make sure you fill out those work orders. You will find the CCPS work order icon on your desktop. We're going to click and open that. You're going to sign in the way you normally sign in. And you are going to create a new work order. You're going to choose what your work order is for. Most of you are probably going to choose computer systems, but building maintenance are things that you would put in for Alvin, audio visual for your projector, the audio enhancement system. Communication systems would be your phone if you need to put in a work order for your phone. I'm going to stick with computers. Hardware, software, network. If your network's not working, if your H drive disappears but you can see all your other drives, if your account isn't working, monitor, PC, whatever, you are going to find your issue in this drop-down list once you've chosen that. I'm going to choose, sometimes we have to move, install. You as a teacher should not be moving equipment from room to room. Yes, redecorate and place it wherever you think you need it in your classroom. But if you are taking a computer from another spot on campus, you really need to put a work order in for that for a couple reasons. Number one, it affects our inventory. Number two, we need to know where they're going. And number three, we need to make sure that they are disconnected and reconnected appropriately so that we have the least amount of damage to the device, wall sockets, and whatnot. Repair. I'm going to use my location. It should automatically be set, but you might have to put your facility, your room number, and then you're going to choose what product you're needing fixed. Camera, computer is your PC, your monitor. If it's your computer, you can click this computer and it should scan. If it's a student computer or it doesn't scan, I just click monitor, choose a monitor. And in my description, my student computers are labeled, and one of the reasons I label my computers is for this purpose. So I can put in a work order and say, student computer number 4, black screen, white writing. You want to try to put as much detail in there as possible because it allows the SST to come to your room best prepared to deal with the situation. If you're having network connections, you might have a bad cord that's just not staying because the plastic is broken, so it keeps slipping out. If he sees that that's the problem in your work order because you put enough detail in there for him to figure it out, he's going to come prepared with the cord instead of coming in, assessing the situation, and then going back to the SST office, grabbing the equipment he needs, and coming back. So the more detail that you can put in your work order, the quicker it's going to go for everybody. Plus, I can see what it is, if it's something that I'm able to fix or not, and cut down on classroom disruptions and time management for myself. When you're done, you press submit. I actually have a real problem, not connected. I'm going to submit one and submit. Here it is. I can see it. We're all good. I can check my history. I see everyone's. This is my current work order that I have submitted. That's it.